Bonjour, hello. Today I'd like to speak about something quite special, Goût de France. What is Goût de France? It's a celebration, a very special kind of celebration of the art de vivre à la française. Since 2017, unfortunately we had to stop during COVID time. For the seventh time, we are now organizing in April this year this common feast together, French and Saint Lucia. It's a combination of talents, French know-how, Saint Lucian products. We want to organize a fantastic cooking with locally produced vegetables, plants, fruits, and we want to enjoy this together. So my message today is quite simple. Let's make this Goût de France even a fantastic opportunity to celebrate together the art de vivre à la française. Let's enjoy, let's share together. Merci, thank you.